In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a video in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Setup tab up top and you want to click on Playback Engine. Then here under Settings, it says Video Engine and you want to click on the check mark here to enable it. And as you can see, if of course you are using a Playback Engine which doesn't support it, you won't be able to do this. So first go to Playback Engine and actually select one which does support video. So I have this one over here. I'm going to click on it and there we go. I'm going to click on yes right now. It's going to restart. There we go. And I'm going to enable this and click on OK. Now this is going to essentially restart my session. So usually it's going to take a few seconds for the video engine to launch. And then whenever that's done, I'll show you how to actually open a video, whichever video you want, directly here in Pro Tools. Okay, so this has now successfully opened. As you can see, if I go to setup up here and then playback engine, you can see I'm using this one which supports video engine. Okay, now from here you simply want to go to file, top left, and then here you want to go to import and you can find video. Okay, you could also use this shortcut if you want to on your keyboard, but I'm just going to click over here. Then from here you want to find your video that you want to basically open in Pro Tools. So I'm just going to go to my downloads where I have a video and it's just one of my tutorials. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on open. Now from here it's going to ask you how you want to import this. So I'm going to click on new track over here. You can of course go and import audio as well. I'm going to do that and click on OK. Now this is going to basically take a few seconds for this to actually open, and there we go. As you can see, it opened up this video over here, and that's essentially all you have to do. And if I go back here, you can see the video is now actually in here, and yeah, that's really all you have to do to open the video. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.